When it comes to roof replacements, our very first step is installing the catch-all system. The catch-all system is designed to surround the perimeter of your home in order to divert any falling debris. This protects your siding, windows, doors, and other components of your home. Naturally, roof replacements are large projects, and the process that takes place can be messy. We know that you are already invested and committed to undertaking this project for your home. That's why we are committed to providing you with a clean, smooth, and professional experience, and the catch-all system is a critical part of our process that allows us to do just that.